Hello, my name is Darren Wright and I'm the product manager for Panduit's abrasion protection products. Panduit carries an extensive line of abrasion protection products that includes a variety of commodity products as well as several unique, even patented abrasion protection products. One of our most unique products is our PanWrap split harness wrap. This is a patented product that is easily installed with the use of a PanWrap tool. In addition to the PanWrap split harness wrap, this tool can also be used to install the PanWrap split braided sleeving. Not only do we have the split braided sleeving, but Panduit offers a few other types of braided sleeving products that include our standard PET braided sleeving, our flame retardant braided sleeving, and our scissor cut no fray braided sleeving. To complement our PanWrap and braided sleeving products, Panduit offers a huge range of spiral wrap products that includes 8 different materials and over 10 colors. We offer flame retardant materials, weather resistant materials, fire resistant materials, and even a high temperature material that's suitable for temperatures up to 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Corrugated loom tubing is another family Panduit offers in our abrasion protection product line. We offer our corrugated loom tubing in polyethylene, nylon, and UV-resistant polypropylene for general purpose, high temperature, and UV-resistant applications. Grommet edging is yet another abrasion protection product that can be installed over the sharp edges of the panel to protect the cables from chafing. Last but not least, we offer a variety of heat shrink products that are designed for dry, damp, and direct burial applications.